Ito na ang latest ng Mixed Topics, mainit na showbiz ganap.
The world is healing, yan ang nasabi ng mga netizens sa social media post ng aktor na si Paolo Contis. Nag-trending kasi ang naging post ni Paolo Contis kung saan makikitang muli niyang nakasama ang kanyang mga anak sa dating asawang si Lian Paz. Makikitang masayang-masaya si Paolo Contis sa nangyaring muling pagkikita sa kanyang mga dalagang sina Shalin at Sonia. Ibinahagi ang magandang balita sa kanyang social media. The Kapuso actor shared photos from his bonding moments with his daughters, his ex-wife, Lian Paz, and her current partner, John Cabahug, as he greeted the basketball player a happy birthday. Happy birthday, John. I want to take this opportunity to thank you for allowing Lian and my kids nung araw na to. Oo, hinintay ko talaga ang birthday mo to publicly express my gratitude to you. John, I cannot thank you enough for this chance. I promise to have a constant communication sa inyong lahat. I will not waste this chance. Thank you for taking care of the kids. Please know that I am always here para sa inyong lahat to more precious days like this. Happy birthday, John. Thank you for the friendship. Mensahe ni Paolo Contis sa current partner ng kanyang ex-wife. Hindi rin pinalampas ni Paolo ang pagkakataon sa kanyang social media post. Para pasalamatan ang kanyang ex-wife, nagbigay din siya ng magagandang salita para sa kanyang ex-wife. Sinabi ni Paolo na mabait at forgiving si Lian kahit noon pa. Ito ang nasabi ni Paolo para sa dating asawa. Lian, you have always been kind and forgiving. This is why hindi kayo pinabayaan ni Lord. I appreciate all your efforts in talking to John about that day. Thank you for being strong and for how you nurtured the kids to have beautiful hearts. Napa-wow! At naging maganda naman ang mga komento ng mga netizens sa nangyaring ito sa yugto ng buhay ni Paolo Contis. Sabi ng mga netizens, the world is healing. Iyan ang nagkakaisang reaksyon ng mga netizens nang bumandera sa social media ang litrato ni Paolo Contis kasama ang kanyang mga anak. In fairness, puro positive at inspiring message ang natanggap ng Kapuso actor at TV host sa latest post niya sa kanyang Instagram account. Ayon kay Paolo, grabing happiness ang nararamdaman niya ngayon dahil pagkatapos ng matagal na taon ay nakasama at nakabonding niya uli ang mga anak nila ng ex-wife niyang si Lian Paz. Ito ang kabuang caption ni Paolo Contis sa kanyang post. Happy birthday, John! I want to take this opportunity to thank you for allowing Lian and my kids nung araw na to. Oo, hinintay ko talaga ang birthday mo to publicly express my gratitude to you. Lian, you have always been kind and forgiving. This is why hindi kayo pinabayaan ni Lord. I appreciate all your efforts in talking to John about that day. Thank you for being strong and for how you nurtured the kids to have beautiful hearts. John, I cannot thank you enough for this chance. I promise to have a constant communication sa inyong lahat. I will not waste this chance. Thank you for taking care of the kids. Please know that I am always here para sa inyong lahat. To more precious days like this. Happy birthday, John. Thank you for the friendship. Hindi naman pinalampas ni John Cabahug ang sinabi ni Paolo at sinagot niya ito sa comment section. Ito ang sagot ni John. Pao, I appreciate your thoughtful birthday greeting. Thank you. I know you're a good man, and I will also treasure our friendship. Andito lang kami. God bless, Pao. Sahad ni John. Maging si Lian ay nag-comment ng Bible verse mula sa Romans 8:28. And we know that for those who love God, all things work together for good, for those who are called according to His purpose. Saad sa naturang verse. Para sa mga hindi aware, si John ay ang long-time partner at fiancé ng dating asawa ni Paolo na si Lian. Nakabase sila sa Cebu. Ayon sa PEP na nakausap umano nila si Lian Paz via direct messaging para hingan ito ng reaksyon sa post ni Paolo. Ito ang sagot ni Lian. Wait, nag-iiyakan pa kami ni John. I'm happy because hindi naman ito about sa amin ni Paolo or ni John. This is all because of God and His love for us. Only God can turn pain into joy and heal our hearts. I want my children to see God's hand in everything sa buhay namin. He is constantly working in our lives, and He's writing every story, making it a beautiful testimony. I have always hoped also for Paulo to have a good life because he's the father of Zonia and Celine. I never taught my children to hate their father no matter what. It wasn't easy for them because nasa limelight siya and people in their school ask them kapag may issues. But again, God protects, and God is faithful. He is always good to those who fear Him. God looks at our hearts. Saad ni Lian, nakakatuwa at ang sarap tignan talaga na makitang nagkakaayos. Ang mga dating may broken relationship sa isa't isa ay nagkakaayos na. Mapa-marriage man yan, kaibigan o pamilya. Nagpakasal sina Lian at Paulo noong 2009, pero naghiwalay sila noong 2012. Nasa pangangalaga ni Lian ang 2 anak nila ni Paulo. Taong 2013 nang mag-cruise ang landas ni Lian at John at saka nagkahulugan ng loob. Taong 2015 nang manirahan na si Lian sa Cebu na hometown ni John. Mula noon ay si John na ang tumayong ama ni Sonia at Cylene.